Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bricks air cooler, easy method. Start by soaking bricks in water so pores can absorb moisture for evaporative cooling. Mix sawdust or rice husks into mortar to increase porosity and improve evaporation. Stack bricks with deliberate gaps and channels to promote airflow and wick moisture. Finish with a breathable lime wash to protect surfaces while still allowing gradual moisture release for steady cooling. Gather all materials before you begin to keep the process smooth and safe. Use clay bricks with visible pores, sawdust or rice husks for porosity, and a lime binder that breathes. Protect your workspace with a tarp and keep water nearby to maintain dampness during assembly. Wear gloves and eye protection while mixing and building. Working methodically reduces mistakes and ensures each brick contributes to efficient evaporative cooling. Begin by evenly soaking bricks until they feel saturated but not dripping excessively. Mix your mortar with porous additives so joins remain breathable and support capillary action between bricks. Lay bricks in staggered courses with consistent 1-inch gaps to create channels that funnel air and moisture. Periodically test airflow and tweak orientation to harness prevailing breezes. Small adjustments to gap size and stack height.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.